Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change country code of a phone number on your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then get on the top right corner. Now select account settings. Now on your left scroll down and select account owner information. Now on your right scroll down and you guys can see phone. Now select its update button. Now select this edit button. And you guys can see the option right here called select country code. Now just select its scroll down icon and choose from this list that you want to select that particular country code. And after selecting it like this, you just need to select on this button right here called update details. And then you guys have successfully changed your country code of your phone number on your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.